Hello children, welcome you in chemistry class. Children, in chemistry you have to study carbon and its compound. Children, you have to know here carbon is an unique element. So why carbon is an unique element? Carbon occurs in nature in both pure form and in combination with other elements in the form of compounds. Carbon is found in the body of living things. So all living things contain carbon. Children, most of the fuel, coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, wood contain carbon. You take limestone, granite, marble, that also contain carbon. Precious gems, diamond contain carbon. So in this way you see children, carbon is an element which is found in the free forms, in combined forms, in the body of living organisms, in the fuel, in the rock materials, in the stone like granite marbles, in the precious gems. Therefore, it has been told carbon is a unique element. Carbon is non-metallic element. It constitutes 0.027% of Earth crust. So carbon, what type of elements you have studied already? Elements are divided into metallic elements and non-metallic elements. So carbon is coming in the non-metallic element, and 0.027% of Earth crust is carbon. Now children, you have to see the about carbon atom. Their symbol of carbon is C. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Mass number of carbon is 12. Electronic configuration, that is distribution of electrons in the different orbit. First orbit, which is close to the nucleus, has 2 electrons, and second orbit 4 electrons. Carbon element, atom of carbon combine and they form covalent bond. Covalent bond means bond formed by the sharing of electron. So when bond is formed by sharing of electron, that bond is called covalent bond. Now children, you see the word carbon. This word carbon is taken from Greek word. So what is the Greek word? From which word carbon is taken? That is carbo. And meaning of carbo is black rock that can burn. So children, you have to learn the word carbon derived from Latin word, not Greek word, Latin word carbo. And English meaning of carbo is black rock that can burn. Although carbon occurs in elemental form as graphite and diamond. In the graphite and diamond, it occurs in elemental form, but it is found in the combined form in the living matter. It form compound, and that compounds are called organic compounds. That organic compounds are carbohydrate, protein, fat. In the carbohydrate, glucose, fructose, starch. So that is the made up of carbon. So the compound, organic compound which are found in the living organisms, they are also called biomolecules. That biomolecules are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus. Children, you have to know here, carbon element has a unique property. So what is the unique property of the carbon atom? That unique property of the carbon atom is catenation. What is the catenation? Catenation is the property by which carbon atom join together with other carbon atom, forming straight chain. See, a number of carbon atoms are going to join together and form a straight chain, branched chain and ring-like structure. So carbon is an element which has the property to combine, to join with other carbon atom, forming straight chain, branch chain and ring-like compound. So this unique property is known as catenation. So children, you have to learn the definition of catenation, the property by which carbon atoms join together with other carbon atom, forming straight chain, branch chain and ring-like compound is known as catenation. Second thing about the carbon is isotopes of carbon. Carbon is an element which exists in nature in three isotopes. Isotopes means they have same atomic number but different mass number. The three isotopes of carbon are carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Their atomic number of all the three carbon 6. That is the same. Atomic number of these three carbon, carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14 is only 6. But mass number is different. Mass number of carbon 12 is 12, carbon 13 is 13 and carbon 14 is 14. If you see the atomic structure, carbon 12 has 6 electron, 6 proton and 6 neutron. Carbon 13 has 6 electron, 6 proton but 7 neutron. Carbon 14, 6 proton, 6 electron but 8 neutron. So number of neutrons are not same. Carbon 12 has 6 neutron, carbon 13 has 7 neutron, carbon 14 has 8 neutron. But these three isotopes of the carbon has same number of electrons and proton. Their electronic configuration also same. Children, one more things you have to study the carbon, that is found in the carbon, that is allotropy. So what is the allotropy? The phenomena of existence of a chemical element in two or more than two forms, and they differ in physical properties, but in the chemical properties they are same. So same elements exist in nature, same elements found in nature in two or more than two different forms, and two or more than two different forms have different physical properties. To see the physical properties, we can say that elements are different, but when we see their chemical properties, we see that they are similar. So that is, this phenomena is allotropy, and different forms of the elements are known as allotropes. So children, carbon is an element which exists in nature in two different allotropic forms. One is crystalline and other is amorphous. In the crystalline, atoms of carbons are arranged in a definite geometrical pattern. So this perfect geometrical pattern form a crystal. So that is called crystalline form of carbon. Diamond and graphite are examples of crystalline form of carbon. But there is another forms in which atoms of carbon are not arranged in a definite geometrical pattern. Randomly, atoms of carbons are arranged. That is amorphous form of carbons. Amorphous form of the carbons, example is coke, that is charcoal, and soot, lime black. So these are the examples of amorphous form of the carbon. So children, you have to know carbon exists in nature in two different allotropic forms. One is crystalline, other is amorphous. In the crystalline, carbon atoms are arranged in definite geometrical pattern. Example of crystalline form of the carbon, allotropes of carbon, diamond and graphite. Amorphous form of the carbon, in this atoms of carbons are not arranged in a definite geometrical pattern. So example is charcoal, soot or lamp black or carbon black, coke. So these are the examples of non-crystalline or amorphous form of carbon. Children, you watch video, try to understand. If you understood, you like and subscribe it, and watch many times, and you prepare the note also.